got down at some metro station which I cannot pronounce, but straight away I'm here. I'm out here at this place, and I was trying to make some hyperlapse. Regarding the drones, I'm not really sure. Should I get my drone out because it's Russia? So currently I'm in a not so pretty area of Moscow, but I just had my first drone flight. I asked them that can I fly my drone here, and then they were like, okay, you can. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. This is definitely the best park that I've ever seen. It's a huge, like, I don't know what the name of the area is, but it's huge. Like it's a huge park. There are buildings, there are museums, and yeah, it's a cool place to just sit down and relax for the evening. So I didn't get any tickets for the match, but today Russia is playing, and they have some fan parks, something like that. So I'm going there. I'll meet a friend. We used to work together in my last company, so he's also in Russia for the World Cup. So I'll meet him, and then I'll watch the match in the fan park.
Display, pay for the beer and to come back here.
after watching the match, I came back home and I slept. But now I can see that the skyline is looking really nice. It's around 10 p.m. in the night. I'll go to the Moscow International Business Center. Like there are a lot of high-rise buildings there, and the view will be really nice. So I have to go in the metro. It will take around 40 minutes to reach that place, and I'll see if I can get on top of a tower to get the view of the whole city, because drones are not allowed there. So I'll see you there.
So we shot in the wedding, and Devang is also helping us with this thing. So I even cannot handle this GoPro, so I'm not a good videographer.